Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Get Rich with Meme token. Now the ticker symbol for this token is $Memememe. Very strange ticker symbol there. This is very much a meme token, but it has a very well put together web page. It's kind of like looks like an ode to the Wall Street memes token. There's a lot of that vibe, and they mention it going on their webpage. And we're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it. Their pre-sale starts in around 5 days or so on pinksale.finance. It's going to be a public pre-sale. You don't need to be on a whitelist or anything like that. And we'll even talk about how to get this token after the pre-sale is over as well, and the info on it, and we're going to do that in 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. Let's get into this token here. So, it says get rich with Memememe token. Have you been disappointed by Wall Street memes? Are you still wondering where all the money went? Are you still wild about the 100x promise? Well, then you've come to the right place. We are doing a real fair launch. We first add the liquidity to the PancakeSwap DEX pool. We will only launch on the exchanges after the DEX pool. We have a real marketing plan. We are memes. So like I said, ticker symbol is $Memememe. Strange. Very strange ticker symbol, but that's what it is. Basically, it has been proven several times that many together can make a big difference, and a few can move a lot in today's financial flows. Whether here the icons from the beginning of the Greed is Good time as the Gordon Gecko or the Wolf of Wall Street has already proved in the 80s, the .com bubble in the late 90s, which also had many winners, or the burst of real estate and their bubble in 2008, mainly in the favor of the banks. It was always about the big money. Now buoyed by Wall Street bets, never stopping the crypto boom in the wonderful world of unlimited internet with its inexhaustible possibilities, it's time to rewrite history again. Do you have the ambition to get rich and even richer? It's simple. It's all about the introduction of this short passage. Again, to remember, it has been proven many times, as others have already noticed. It's the small investment at the right time can earn you 1,000 times. So, then they have all the memes on their page. You know, the Pampit guy. They got, Wojak, Pepe, you name it. All the memes are on their page here. It says, we are meme. If you have a lot of money, you can speculate. If you don't have much money, you can't speculate. If you don't have any money, you have to speculate. Now, I have to think about that for a second here, but yes. They do have links to their team members here. The CEO and design manager and COO have their telegrams and Twitter links on here, and some, they kind of have like drawn pictures of them, but you can kind of see what it's like. So they are somewhat doxed on their page. Now, they do have a full audit on this token. You can check that out on PinkSale. They were audited by BlockSeifu. They do have a Discord, a GitHub, Telegram, Twitter. I'm going to put their Twitter up in the corner of the page over there. At GetRichWithMeme on Twitter, and GetRichWithMeme.com is their webpage. Public pre-sale, like I said, 9 decimal places on this token. Total supply here, that's a million, billion, trillion. 1 quintillion tokens is the total supply. Now this is a Binance Smart Chain token. 49 BNB is the soft cap for this pre-sale. There is no hard cap, so it's just going to continue until time runs out. It's a 3-day pre-sale. Starts October 4th, 14 hours UTC time, and goes until October 7th, 14 hours UTC time. So if you missed the pre-sale and you're looking to get this token shortly after the pre-sale is over, this token will go over to PancakeSwap for purchase. You'll be able to get it over there by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding PancakeSwap, and then trading your BSC for the Memememe token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, getrichwithmeme.com. You probably will not have to change slippage because it says 0% buy and sell tax, and liquidity will be locked on PancakeSwap for 180 days. According to their token metrics pie chart here, the tokens are allocated like this. So 42.5% of the tokens go to pre-sale, 21.24% go to liquidity, 10% goes to staking rewards, 5% community rewards, 5% marketing, 2.5% ambassadors and influencer marketing, 2% deflationary burn and buyback, and 5% of the tokens central exchange listing number 1, 5% number 2, 1.25% of the tokens are unlocked, and 0.5% goes to airdrops. Now there's a free and quick light audit by Cyberscope in the discussion section, and there's no bad warnings on that whatsoever. Their roadmap basically goes like this. So smart contract development, secure and audited, community building, Telegram, Twitter, branding, marketing, spread awareness, go viral, partnerships, collaborations, meme creators, influencers, content platforms, token launch, going to the moon, token listings on decentralized exchanges and then centralized exchanges, awareness campaigns, gated community, Tier 1 central exchanges, boost liquidity, etc. Now, they do have a white paper audit on their webpage, tokenomics, all that stuff is on there. It says staking API, or they probably mean APY, up to 500%. Lots of socials on their webpage, Medium articles, TikTok, YouTube channel, you name it. They're all on there. Bitcoin Talk, DexView and Pink Sale are on here. Their links, terms of use, privacy policy, and contact email. GetRichWithMeme.com. Check it out, and you can find this pre-sale starting on Pink Sale in about 5 days or so. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or what? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. Check out the referral codes. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.